Want to make your farm machinery last longer? IngeniaTouch has the answer. Retech is a game changer for farmers. This revolutionary material added to your oil or grease protects metal from wear and tear. Imagine extending the lifespan of your bearings, pistons and gears up to 3 times longer. Got fatigued or old machinery? Retech helps reverse that damage. It reduces abrasion and friction, meaning less noise, less vibration and a smoother operation. Plus, fewer repairs and lower maintenance costs. Sounds like a dream, right? Retech forms a protective layer on metal surfaces, improving efficiency and letting older machinery run like new. It even helps you align with modern environmental standards by promoting sustainable use of your equipment, perfect for old tractors, mechanical equipment and all your farm machinery. Join the future of sustainable farming with IngeniaTouch. Keep your machinery reliable, efficient and running longer. Contact IngeniaTouch today.